today we are going to do a DETOX PLUS tutorial on how to consume DETOX PLUS. Okay, so this is the box. Just open it. Okay. There's 7 sachets in that. We put out 1. We have instruction in the back. So it's very easy. We're going to take this. So you just need a plain or cold water. It is very advisable to take cold water because it's easy to blend in together. Fill in the water. You don't have to worry because since we only need 150 ml water, so there's a measurement here. We put it here, up to this level. Okay, so according this 150 ml, it is advisable to drink before bed, but if you want to kickstart your day, you can try it 30 minutes before breakfast. So this is the texture of DETOX PLUS. Okay, so I'm going to mix it, and this take it. Or you can just get yourself a glass and you can stir it until it's blend everything. So you get this rich and thick formula, and you just drink it. So that is all for DETOX PLUS tutorial. Thank you.